Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Today's video is about bigging up Bounty Killer. So off the back, straight away, I'm just gonna say big up to the dancehall artist Bounty Killer, birthright name Rodney Price. All Jamaicans know exactly who I'm talking about, and you guys might be wondering, why am I bigging up Bounty Killer? First and foremost, let me say my last vlog refers to the medical care of Jamaica and the hospitals in Jamaica, and my vlog before that was in criticism of the poor reception to patients received at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. So without it being a plan, by coincidence, my last two vlogs and this vlog has something to do with hospitals. I came across an article that says Bounty Killer donated his time, his efforts, about 80 gallons of paint, diapers, water, and lunches for volunteers and staff at both the Kingston Public Hospital and the Victoria Jubilee Hospital in Kingston. And it gave me a good feeling. It's a feel-good feeling. It actually inspired me, but I'm gonna get into my inspiration a little bit later in this video. First, I'm gonna have to rub it in and say, Bounty Killer, this one is from me to you. I'm saying, big up yourself. It is a good look and it's an inspiring thing. I mean, just by reading it, I felt as if, you know what, instead of just being on video and contributing my advice or my knowledge or my opinions and directions to Jamaica or Jamaicans in Jamaica, I'm thinking to myself that maybe I could also apply myself or some finances to a charity in Jamaica. But before we jump that gun, I want to say, if I'm going to get involved in any charities in Jamaica, without a doubt, it has to have something to do with the healthcare of Jamaica or the hospital of Jamaica. So I'm going to throw that out there for my viewers and subscribers. Maybe you guys can give me a suggestion. If no suggestion comes through, the move from Bounty Killer as kind of like awoken a new idea inside of me, and maybe I start my own charity in Jamaica where something from myself personally, friends I know, my associates could contribute, and whoever trusts me or trusts what I represent can also donate to such charity. And like you say, instead of sitting around and criticizing, instead of sitting around and pointing fingers at politicians, maybe we could do something. You know, maybe I personally could do something, but without a doubt, it's going to take more than just me to make Jamaica's medical facilities better. But I like what I read. I like what I saw. And I even read that it's not Bounty Killer's first time. To be honest, I did hear about his first contributions of beds to the Kingston Public Hospital. But to even read not only that Bounty Killer was there painting himself and contributed all these goods to the hospitals, but to hear that Bounty Killer intend to make this an annual affair is even a more inspiring move. And I'm hoping that other entertainers or other Jamaicans who are in a well-off position or a better off position could follow suit, you know, and do a similar thing, especially when it comes to the hospital. Obviously, I'm not here to echo the news, but considering that Bounty Killer's effort was towards hospitals and my last two videos was in plea and criticism of Jamaica's hospital, I had to come and address this one and express my desire of wanting to also do something. And that's pretty much my message for today. But before I sign off, I want to say to my subscribers, for you guys who are aware of my raffle offer that's on my community page, just scroll up at the top and see, I was open to get at least minimum 100 subscribers participating, and then I could do a raffle and call out a prize in appreciation and support to my channel. No one well, I can't say no one. 89 people actually participated and voted. So I kind of fell short by 11. And even though 89 people did participate, only a few actually wrote something, so I know that, yeah, they were involved in the raffle. So considering that, I am not going to renege, but I'm not going to do the raffle. So what I did early this morning, I just asked my son to pick out 2 names from the 11 comments that was under the actual message post. And my son has chosen David Massey as one. And the second person is a channel goes by the name of Proud Jamaican. So David Massey and Proud Jamaican, hit me up via email and we will discuss the reward. And it's all about appreciation. I don't know any of these 2 individuals personally, but it's my way of just saying I appreciate the support, not only from these 2 people, but from everyone on my channel on a whole. So now that I've plugged that in, I'm gonna sign off once more by saying what I initially signed on to say. Bounty Killer, big up yourself. It is a good look. I am inspired, and I hope that a lot more Jamaicans feel the same way that I do, and we can get a ball rolling and get Jamaica's hospitals looking good inside and out. That's pretty much my message for today. People, until next time, peace.